Hey, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Today's lesson is pretty simple. Just kind of want to keep in mind to always have fun with your guitar. So sometimes when you pick your guitar up, you just have a few minutes to bust through a few chords, A lot of times when I do these videos, I have to come up with a quick concept. And one of the reasons I came up with the idea of Go Guitar Go is because I have a baby daughter, and I was reading a book to her all the time called Go Dog Go. So I feel like, my whole life is just go, go, go. So a lot of times in between, when I pick up the guitar, I'd like, what should I play? I only have 5 minutes, 10 minutes before I got to get back to a bunch of other life callings, if you will. So today I brought, I was thinking of the idea of like AC/DC chords, just really fun, just 3-chord rock, and all of the progressions I was playing in the demo, or that I'll play in the demo, are just 1-4-5 progressions. And I was just thinking of like the E, A, D, G kind of, progressions. The first one I was doing was, it was a C, it was G, C to D. Another one I was doing was D, G, A. And some of the things you can think about are like if you have your A chord, you can grab this G note and bend it. You can grab the C note and do the same thing. Cool little rock and roll embellishments. I was doing E, A to B, in E major. And when I hit that E, instead of doing the full open E chord, I'm not playing this G string, I'm muting it. So I'm just getting a really big E chord. I'm muting this string here. Another one I was working with was in the key of A. Just wanted to pop in here real quick and talk about a couple rock and roll embellishments that you can throw in with these 3 chords. One is sliding your finger up to like the 17th fret and just yanking down on that. Pick slide. Pick slides are always great to add. Another thing I wanted to throw in is when you're playing this A5 chord, you can have your 4th finger up here on the 5th fret. Have all that ring out as well. D, E. You can, really cool song, Rumble. Goes to the A. Great song to learn. Maybe I'll do a lesson on that one. And then towards the end there, I was thinking of, thinking C, in the key of C, that have an F and a G as my 1, 4, and 5. But instead of playing a C, your regular open C chord, I thought of adding this G on top. So it's kind of, I have my ring finger on the 3rd fret of the G, my pinky's right below it on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. My middle finger is here on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. It's kind of that E shape, and the G string is open, and then I'm grabbing this C note down at the bottom. Big lush chord. That's my C with the G in the bass. And then to play an F, I just drop those 3 fingers down. That's my F, the 4th. And then to play a G, and all of these progressions, I'm playing the G with my middle finger is muting the 5th string, and the rest of them are ringing out. And then I have my ring finger and my 4th finger up here on the B and E string on the 3rd fret. But that 5th string is muted. So in all these progressions, or whenever I have like a lot of distortion, I'll play the G this way. So I hope you have a lot of fun with those. Watch the video a few times to get an idea of it. maybe I'll do like a backing track of that simple drum beat that I was playing along to. So have fun with the 1-4-5 chord progression and crank up your distortion. Thanks for watching. Give it a like.